how to draw straight line without using scale. You can use pencil or sketch pen. First and most important thing is you have to adjust your cartridge sheet, your drawing paper, to your board. Now if you are able to hold your hand in such a way, I am showing over the screen, you can see, and just feel this edges, that is enough for making a straight line. Now in this hand you just have to hold a pencil, so it's only depends on the holding of the pencil. Hold your pencil in such a way, keep your this last three finger together, first finger and thumb should hold the pencil, and now this three finger should come near. You can see here this particular edge like alphabet V should be engaged here, and adjust your paper how much you want. Be careful that your paper should be not slanting, it should be vertical and parallel to the board. Now hold and just go down, and you have the straight line. Same thing, just rotate your board, adjust it towards the edge, and just check your paper should be not slanting. Adjust it, hold it, and go down. It's this fast. Hold, adjust, and just keep it proper. Adjust it, go here, draw a straight line. Now the next thing is, when I hold it here, there is one obstacle, so be careful that you don't require or you should not feel any obstacle in between while drawing a line. So what I'll do is, I'm going to keep it this way and keep my paper this side, adjust my paper towards the edge, and now I'll go from top to bottom. Now you must be thinking that making a line with the help of pencil, it's easy. So now I'll show you how to draw a line with the sketch pen. Take a sketch pen, do the same thing, but now I'm going to turn my paper and show you over this. And now something magical I'm going to do. I'm going to hold this paper in air. Instead of this, I'm going to use this paper in air. I'll keep my art pad aside, I'll keep rest of the things aside, and holding it in the air. My paper is not lying down also, it's just air. Hold it. See, the holding of sketch pen is very important. Hold it this way, keep your sketch pen over this, and just use the straightness of your paper. You get a straight line. You see, you get a straight line. You see, keep your paper in the air and still you can get a straight line. And here, this is last and final. Ta-da! So try to do this with pencil, with sketch pen, with different color sketch pen. It's easy to make a straight line with the help of sketch pen without using scale. Thank you.